institute this who have taken off time to add value unto themselves. We have been emphasizing over the years the need to add value onto our intellectual abilities, because your intellectual abilities determine how much the body can consume and do. If you have a body that is not backed up by and with intellectual capabilities, then the body will not be useful. So I want to congratulate the girls who have undertaken and undergone this program, or this training program. I want to implore other organizations to emulate Itenga. That's it. I want to congratulate you and to thank you greatly for this enormous contribution to our country. This one explains the amount of value you've added onto the country for the last 11 years you've been here. I am also excited to learn that you have learned some Luganda, Katano Katano. Yeah, very good. To the girls, our graduates today, go into community and be ambassadors of Itenga. Be ambassadors of progress. Be ambassadors of a good future. Be job creators. And I'm grateful that programs like these ones create job creators, not seekers. Once again, as your MP, my doors are open for anybody that needs to do any consultation or partnership. Before I take leave, let me ask you for your vote. Please give me your vote, give me your support, and look for the votes. I want to introduce the incoming mayor of Kyengera Town Council, the Honorable Councillor Joseph Bitokote Semgera, who is our incoming mayor for Kyengera Town Council. May God bless you and long live the King. Thank you.